Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your region on Twitter. Follow along as we guide you through the steps to update your profile. First, open the Twitter app on your Android device. Once opened, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options. Next, tap on Profile. This will take you to your profile page where you can view and edit your personal information. Then, tap on Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile, including adding your location. Tap on the Location section to input your region. This will help others know where you are located. After adding your region, don't forget to tap on the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. This will save your changes and update your profile with your region information. And there you have it. Your region is now added to your Twitter profile. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.